Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sakshi and it would means a lot to me if you spare a second and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to do classic golden eyes and red lips. This is the versatile look and you can do this look in just 15 minutes. अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो आप लोग भी कर सकते हो because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm still learning each and every day some new tips and tricks. So I'm still learner. Yeah, and you can carry this look with every Indian outfit and in any festival or any wedding. So without wasting more time, let's just jump into the video.
I already moisturized my face. Now I'm using this Nykaa primer. Take a small amount. Rub it between your fingers and apply it all over your face where you have open pores, fine lines. It creates a barrier between your skin and your foundation. Now I'm using this Inside Concealer palette. It is creamy in texture, so it is easily blendable. I am taking this orange corrector and apply it under my eyes. Apply the color corrector where you have dark circles, acne or acne marks, and take the color corrector according to your skin concerns. If you have fresh acne, then apply the green corrector. I apply it on my acne marks here and there. Now I blend the color corrector with my fingers. If you want, you can use a beauty blender, but I love to use my fingers to blend the color corrector. Now I take a medium color corrector which is close to my skin tone so that it balances out the orange corrector. Again I am blending it with my fingers. Now I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Take a small amount on the back of my hand, rub it so that it becomes warm and apply it all over my face. Do not take too much product in the starting, it makes your face patchy. Don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. Now I'm using this Damn Beauty blender to blend my foundation. Blend it very nicely so that it gives you a very natural finish. Take your time to blend your foundation because blending is the main key, and always using a dabbing motion. Don't use a dragging motion, otherwise your face look cakey and patchy. So yeah, my base is all set. If you want, you can apply more foundation for more coverage, but I don't think I need more foundation. It already give me a good coverage. Now I'm using this Maybelline concealer. I take a lighter shade. I apply it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, forehead and around the nose. Again I'm blending it with the same beauty blender and blend it very nicely. It gives you a very uplifted face. Now I'm gonna set my base with this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Now I'm using this brow palette from Europe Girl to fill my brows. Firstly, brush your eyebrows with the spoolie. I take this brown shade to fill my brows. I don't like heavy brows. I'm just filling the gaps in between my brows and that's it. Now brush out the excess product with the help of spoolie so that it gives you a very natural look. For my eyes, I am using this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. I am taking this lighter shade and apply it all over my eyelids. Do the same with my other eye also. Now I am taking this dark brown shade and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes and blend it all over my eyelids. Do it same with the other eye also. Take the brown eyeshadow, apply it on the outer corner and blend it all over your eyelid. Now I take this golden shimmery shade and apply it on the center of my eyelid with the help of my fingers. Apply the same golden shimmery shade on the other eye also. For my eyeliner, I am using this Lakme Absolute eyeliner. I apply a very thin line near to my upper lash line. If you want, you can apply a thick liner. Now I take the same dark eyeshadow which I applied in the outer corner and apply it on my lower lash line also. I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette to contour my face. Now it's time to apply some blush. I mention all the details and links of the products in the description box. For highlighting my face, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I apply it on my cheekbones. Little bit on my forehead. And on the bridge of my nose, and on the nose I love to apply the highlighter with my fingers. Apply some highlighter on the cupid bow of my lips. Take the same highlighter and apply it on my brow bone. I outline my lips with the red lip pencil. For my lips, I'm using this Lakme matte lipstick. This is the beautiful red shade. Now it's time to apply some mascara. This mascara gives you a voluminous lashes. Now I fix everything in the place with this Prep and Prime Fix from MAC. Let it air dry. Now I blend everything so that my base look flawless. Every Indian look is incomplete without bindis.
So yeah guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video and this look as well. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. And most of you already know that I have started a festive series on Instagram. So please go and check that out. I put a link in the description box and on the screen as well. This look is the classic and the versatile look. You can carry this look with any Indian outfit, or you can carry this look on festivals or wedding. And if you guys will try this look, please post your pictures on Instagram and do tag me. I love to see your beautiful faces. So yeah, I see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.